Apple TV price per month. Apple TV services come with different pricing options, including the cost of Apple TV Plus, the streaming service, and the Apple TV streaming devices. Apple has adjusted its pricing over the years to reflect new features, content, and market demands. 1. Apple TV Plus current monthly price. As of 2023, the Apple TV Plus subscription costs $9.99 per month. This plan is ad-free and provides access to Apple's exclusive original content, including series, movies, and documentaries. Second, Apple TV Plus annual subscription. Apple offers an annual subscription at $99.99 per year, providing a slight discount compared to the monthly plan. Third, Apple One bundle pricing. Apple TV Plus can also be accessed through Apple One, a bundle that includes multiple Apple services. Individual plan, $19.95 per month. Includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud plus 50 gigabytes. Family plan, $25.95 per month. Includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud plus 200 gigabytes for up to 6 users. Premier plan, $37.95 per month. Includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and iCloud Plus 2 terabytes. 4. Apple TV Plus free trial options. Apple offers different free trial options. 7-day free trial for new subscribers. 3 months free with the purchase of a new Apple device. 1 month free for Apple One new subscribers. 5. Apple TV 4K and HD device prices. If purchasing an Apple TV device, the cost varies depending on the model. Apple TV 4K, 64 gigabytes, Wi-Fi only, $129. Apple TV 4K, 128 gigabytes, Wi-Fi plus Ethernet, $149. 6. No additional cost for streaming. Unlike some streaming services, Apple TV Plus does not have multiple pricing tiers based on resolution or ads. All subscribers get access to 4K HDR streaming, offline downloads, and family sharing at no extra charge. 7. Rental and purchase options. Apple TV Plus does not include third-party movies or shows. However, the Apple TV app allows users to rent or buy movies and TV shows separately, with pricing varying by title. 8. Is Apple TV Plus worth the monthly cost? At $9.99 per month, Apple TV Plus remains competitively priced compared to other streaming services. While it has a smaller content library, it focuses on high-quality originals, making it a strong choice for viewers who appreciate premium storytelling. 9. Future price trends. Apple TV Plus has seen 2 price increases since its launch in 2019. With Apple's continued investment in original programming, future price adjustments are possible, but the service remains one of the most affordable ad-free streaming platforms. Apple TV Plus is currently priced at $9.99 per month, with annual and bundled options for savings. Whether it's worth it depends on viewing preferences, but it remains a solid choice for fans of Apple's exclusive content.